Galbi soup. Galbi and meat are put into a thick cauldron, heated for a long time to make quality Galbi soup. The Sunbong Food Company Limited only uses fresh ingredients that are selected for quality and are exposed to high temperature for a long time for a deep taste. And foods that have been processed at a suitable temperature are blended using our know-how to suit the modern people's taste. All processes will automatically and rapidly be packaged, and the final inspection will be completed by checking the capacity of the product through weight screening and authenticated X-ray detection. Sanitary food that is cooked to the taste of the modern people and makes you feel like you are at home. Natural Galbi soup.